ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture. It is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. ChatGPT is capable of understanding context, answering questions, and engaging in conversations on a wide range of topics. ChatGPT how step-by-step it works, user input. The process begins with the user providing input, which could be a question, statement, or any form of textual data. Input processing. This step involves initial processing of the input to prepare it for the model. It may include basic cleaning and normalization of the text. Tokenization. The input text is broken down into smaller units called tokens. These tokens are the basic units that the model processes. Tokenization converts the text into a format that the model can understand and work with. Model processing, the core of the architecture, where the model processes the tokenized input using its layers and mechanisms to understand the context and generate appropriate responses. Layer operations. GPT models consist of multiple layers, typically transformer layers, which process the tokens in parallel. Each layer performs a series of operations to transform the input and capture different aspects of the data. Attention mechanism. A critical component of transformer models, the attention mechanism allows the model to focus on different parts of the input text selectively. This helps in understanding context and the relationships between different tokens in the sequence. Feed-forward network. After the attention mechanism, the data is passed through a feed-forward neural network. This network applies additional transformations to the data, contributing to the model's understanding and generation capabilities. Output generation. Based on the processed information, the model generates an output sequence. This involves predicting the next token in the sequence iteratively until a complete response is formed. Detokenization. The generated tokens are converted back into human-readable text. This step involves assembling the tokens into words and sentences. Response output. The final response is produced and presented to the user. This output is the generated text based on the input provided by the user.